Imagine the world's largest ships, towering high above the sea and weighing thousands of tons, coming face to face with the most powerful forces of nature, giant waves. The collision of these two titans creates a scene of pure chaos and excitement, a true test of the strength and endurance of both man-made technology and the raw power of the ocean. Get ready for an adventure of a lifetime as we take you on a thrilling journey of 5 epic battles caught on camera, showcasing the drama and tension as these massive ships face off against waves reaching up to towering heights of 100 feet or more. Battle number 1. The Perfect Storm. The Perfect Storm was a legendary weather event that occurred in 1991 and was named after the popular novel and movie. With waves reaching 100 feet in height, it was one of the most devastating storms in recorded history. The giant ship, Andrea Gale, was a fishing vessel caught in the middle of the perfect storm. Despite its sturdiness, it was no match for the towering waves produced by the storm. The ship was tossed about by massive waves and ultimately capsized, leading to the loss of its crew. Footage of the perfect storm is rare, but there are some dramatic video recordings and photographs that capture the power of the storm. The footage shows the immense size of the waves and the struggle of the giant ship as it tries to navigate through the storm. Despite the bravery and skill of the crew, Andrea Gale was eventually overwhelmed by the storm, serving as a reminder of the raw power of nature and the challenges faced by ships navigating the ocean. The loss of Andrea Gale and its crew was a tragedy, but it also serves as an important reminder to respect the power of Mother Nature. The storm was fierce, unpredictable, and merciless. No amount of preparation or skill could have been enough to protect the vessel from such a powerful force. Despite this, there is still much that we can learn from the perfect storm. Its legacy will continue to remind us of the potential danger presented by Mother Nature and the importance of taking all necessary precautions when traveling on the open ocean. We must always be aware of our limits in order to ensure our safety at sea. Battle number 2. The South Pacific Cyclone. The South Pacific Cyclone was a massive and intense storm that formed over the South Pacific Ocean and hit the shipping lanes. High winds, heavy rains, and towering waves created a hazardous environment for ships. The SS Pacific Voyager, a massive cargo vessel, was caught in the middle of the cyclone with a valuable shipment to deliver. Footage captures the immense waves and winds as the ship battles through the storm, with the crew working tirelessly to reach their destination. Despite the dangers, the crew of the SS Pacific Voyager persevered and safely reached their destination. The crew's hard work and bravery in the face of such a destructive storm were praised by many, and the successful journey of the SS Pacific Voyager became legendary in maritime circles. Its story is an inspiration to sailors everywhere who can take courage from it in times of danger and distress on their own voyages. To this day, sailors from all over the world remember and honor those who risked their lives aboard the SS Pacific Voyager during that fateful voyage across the South Pacific Ocean. Battle number 3. The North Atlantic Hurricane. The North Atlantic Hurricane was a fierce storm that pummeled the Atlantic Ocean, hitting ships and coastal towns with high winds, heavy rain, and towering waves. The MS North Atlantic Sentinel, a large container ship, faced the challenge of navigating through the hurricane while transporting a valuable, time-sensitive shipment. Despite the storm's dangers, the crew was determined to reach their destination. Footage of the battle shows the hurricane's immense power and the crew's bravery as they navigate the treacherous waters. Relying on their skill and experience to guide the ship through the storm. The footage is a testament to the giant ship's resilience and the crew's determination. Despite its immense power, the North Atlantic Hurricane could not stop them. The crew celebrated as they arrived safe and sound, and to celebrate their victory over the storm, they shared stories of bravery and courage. Over a meal on the deck. They had proven that despite any odds, determination and skill can triumph against even the toughest storms. It was a monumentous occasion for all involved, one that would be remembered for years to come. Battle number 4. The Indian Ocean Tsunami. The Indian Ocean Tsunami was a catastrophic event that struck the shores of several countries bordering the Indian Ocean in 2004. The tsunami was caused by a massive undersea earthquake and generated waves reaching heights of over 100 feet in some areas. The giant ship, the RMS Indian Ocean Sentinel, was a cruise liner that was caught in the middle of the ocean when the tsunami hit. The crew was faced with the daunting task of navigating through the dangerous waters and ensuring the safety of hundreds of passengers on board. The footage of the event captures the power of the massive waves and the fear on the faces of the passengers. Despite the harrowing conditions, the crew of the RMS Indian Ocean Sentinel used their expertise to steer the ship to safety, avoiding the full impact of the tsunami and ensuring the safety of all of those on board. This event is remembered for highlighting the importance of preparedness, strong leadership, and human resilience when faced with extreme conditions. In addition, it has brought attention to the need for improved early warning systems and disaster risk reduction measures across the world to help protect communities from future disasters. Battle number 5. The Pacific Typhoon. The Pacific Typhoon was a massive and powerful storm system that formed in the western Pacific Ocean, affecting several coastal communities and shipping lanes in its path. With sustained winds reaching over 200 miles per hour, heavy rain, and massive waves, the Pacific Typhoon was one of the most intense storms to hit the region in recent history. The storm system was vast, stretching hundreds of miles across the Pacific, making it a formidable challenge for any ships that crossed its path. The giant ship, the MV Pacific Thunder, was a massive cargo ship that was caught in the middle of the Pacific Typhoon. The ship was transporting a vital and time-sensitive shipment, making it imperative that the crew navigates through the storm safely. The footage showcases the bravery of the crew and the power of the giant ship, as the ship rises and falls with the massive waves battling through the storm with determination and skill. The crew of the MV Pacific Thunder was instrumental in navigating their way through the perilous storm. Despite the heavy winds and dangerous swells, they managed to keep control of their ship and continue on their journey. Ultimately delivering the precious cargo safely to its destination. The bravery of the crew will be remembered for years to come as a testament to their skill in handling such an extreme situation. As for now, it is clear that the Pacific Typhoon has left an indelible mark on those affected by it, reminding us all of just how powerful nature can be. As we come to the end of our journey, we've seen the incredible power of both the ocean and the technology that humans have created to conquer it. From the monstrous waves of the perfect storm to the devastating winds of the North Atlantic hurricane, each battle has tested the strength and resilience of these giant ships. Through it all, we've witnessed the awe-inspiring might of Mother Nature and the courage of the brave souls who navigate these massive vessels through the stormiest of seas. We've seen the limits of human engineering pushed to the breaking point and the ingenuity of the crew as they work together to overcome the odds and survive these epic battles. So, as we look back on these 5 encounters and giant ships, we can't help but be in awe of the sheer power of the ocean and the determination of the human spirit. Whether it's the roar of the winds or the crash of the waves, these battles will be forever etched into our memories as a testament to the unstoppable force of nature and the unwavering spirit of humanity. So, raise a glass to the mighty ships and the relentless waves, and let us pay tribute to the true heroes of the sea. What do you think was the craziest one? Share your thoughts with us in the comments below.